Hello everybody and the students of the world for Academia Hargeisa Universalis. This is the second lecture for the University's School of Mathematics in the form of Algebra. And I'm your lecturer of the course, Mustafa Aw-Abdi, the Chancellor of the Academia Hargeisa Universalis, Somaliland's first international and YouTube university based in Salaha, on the outskirts of the country's capital city of Hargeisa. Algebra is a branch of mathematics substituting letters, variables for numbers to generalize arithmetic, solve for unknowns, and analyze relationship. Key concepts between manipulating expressions, solving linear and quadratic equations, understanding function and following order of operations to maintain equation balance. And for more information at the university, follow me to my YouTube channel, click the link button, ring the bell, and write down the comments below about you and your progress in the university. So, enjoy the video. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with abstract systems, known as algebraic structures, and the manipulation of expressions within those systems. It is generalization of arithmetic that algebraic variables and algebraic operations that often understand arithmetic operations, such as addition and multiplication. Elementary algebra is the main form of logic taught in school. Mathematical statements using variables for unspecified values and secret determined for which values the statements are true. To do so, it uses different methods of transforming equations to isolate variables. Linear algebra is closely related to the field that linear equations and combination of them called systems. In linear equations, we provide methods to find the values that solve all equations in the system at the same time and to study the set of these solutions. Abstract algebra studies algebraic structures, which consists of a set of mathematical objects together with one or several operations defined on that set. It is a general elementary algebra since it allows mathematical objects other than numbers or non-arithmetic operations. It considers different types of algebraic structures such as groups, rings, or fields based on the number of operations and you use and the laws that follow called axioms. Universal algebra and category theory provide general framework to investigate abstract patterns that characterize different kinds of structures. Algebraic methods were first studied in the ancient period to solve problems in fields like geometry. Subsequent mathematicians examine technical techniques to solve equations independent of significant unlimited. They describe equations and their solutions using words and abbreviations until the 16th and 16th century, when rigorous formulation was known. In the mid-19th century, discovered algebra broadened beyond the theory of equations to categorize diverse types of algebraic operations and structures. Algebra is relevant to many branches of mathematics, such as geometry, topology, monovariate calculus, and others required like logic and the vertical sciences.